Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something truly exciting: how to turn your backyard into a mini farm step by step. You don't need acres of land, fancy equipment, or years of experience. With just a little planning and effort, you can transform your space into a productive garden that puts fresh food on your table. And if you want even more guidance and resources, make sure to visit www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted resource for natural, sustainable, and homegrown living. Why a mini farm? So why create a mini farm? For one, it gives you control over your food. You know what's going into your soil, what's being sprayed or not sprayed on your plants, and exactly how your food was grown. It also saves money at the grocery store, reduces stress, and lets you reconnect with nature. Best of all, it doesn't matter if your backyard is large, small, or somewhere in between. Every space has potential. 1. Assess your space. The very first step is looking at what you already have. How much sunlight does your backyard get? 6 hours of direct sun is perfect for most vegetables. What's the soil like? Sandy, clay, or rich and dark as water nearby so you can irrigate easily? These questions will guide your planning and prevent problems later. Even if your space is tiny, raised beds, containers, and vertical growing systems can maximize your harvest. 2. Plan your layout. Once you've assessed your space, it's time to design your layout. Sketch your backyard on paper, marking where the sun hits the longest. Group crops based on their needs: sun-loving plants like tomatoes and peppers in the brightest spots, leafy greens in partial shade, and climbing plants like beans along fences or trellises. Starting with a clear plan keeps things organized and prevents overcrowding. 3. Build healthy soil. Your soil is the foundation of everything. Enrich it with compost made from kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and leaves. If you're starting with poor soil, raised beds are a smart investment. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem filled with beneficial microbes that feed your plants and keep them strong. Step 4. Choose beginner-friendly crops. Start simple. Some of the best crops for beginners include lettuce, spinach, radishes, carrots, green beans, cherry tomatoes, and herbs like basil or parsley. These plants are forgiving, productive, and rewarding. Growing what you actually enjoy eating ensures nothing goes to waste and keeps you motivated. 5. Planting seeds and seedlings. Now comes the fun part: planting. Follow the instructions on seed packets for spacing and depth. If you're short on time, use seedlings from a nursery. Don't stress if everything isn't perfect. Gardening is all about learning. The important thing is to start once your seeds are in the soil. Water them gently and watch the magic begin. 6. Watering and maintenance. Consistency is key. Most plants prefer steady moisture, so water regularly, but avoid flooding. Mulching around plants helps conserve water and suppress weeds. Keep an eye on your crops. Yellow leaves, drooping stems, or stunted growth usually mean your plants are asking for attention. A few minutes each day can make all the difference. 7. Pest and problem management. Pests are part of gardening, but you don't need chemicals to fight them. Companion planting like growing basil with tomatoes can naturally repel unwanted bugs. Neem oil, garlic sprays, and introducing helpful insects like ladybugs or other natural solutions. The trick is observation. Catch problems early before they spread. 8. Harvesting. Harvesting is where your hard work pays off. Pick leafy greens regularly to encourage new growth. Pull radishes and carrots when they reach size, and collect tomatoes and peppers when they're fully colored. Frequent harvesting not only gives you food on the table but also keeps plants productive. For more step-by-step guides and backyard farming inspiration, check out www.mydagrifarm.com. It's packed with tips to help you grow more, even in small spaces. 9. Enjoy the lifestyle. Turning your backyard into a mini farm isn't just about vegetables, it's about lifestyle. It gets you outside, reduces stress, and gives you exercise without even trying. It also connects kids and families to the source of their food, teaching valuable lessons about patience, responsibility, and gratitude. So here's the truth. You don't need to wait for someday or move to the countryside to start farming. You can create abundance right where you are. A backyard mini farm turns wasted lawn space into meals, health, and satisfaction. Every seed you plant is a step towards self-sufficiency and a healthier, more connected life. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspires you to grab a packet of seeds, dig into the soil, and begin your journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more backyard farming tips, and share it with friends who are ready to grow their own food. Remember, small steps create big harvests. Until next time, happy planting and happy harvesting.